then welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna reviewing a newly launched eyeshadow palette, and that is Cuffs and Lashes. That's So Me 32 color pressed eyeshadow palette. And guys, this is for the first time I have ordered something from Cuffs and Lashes, and yeah, I'm really excited to try this palette, and this video will be my first impression video. So yeah, let's start with the packaging. So I have received it in this way. There is a transparent plastic outer cover and the product was covered securely with bubble wraps. Guys, I really like the entire look of the palette. This matte green color make this palette luxurious, classy and beautiful. This palette is made by engineered wood, as it is mentioned by Katiyar on her video. On that palette they have mentioned the ingredient list. This palette is totally made in India and the product is cruelty free and paraben free. The price of the palette is 1799, but the launch price is 999 only, and the shelf life of this palette is 3 years. So guys, now I'm gonna swatch all the shades in my hand on natural light, and then I'll demonstrate the product on my eyes. So guys, now I'm gonna apply some of the shades on my eyelids. So yeah, let's see how it looks on my eyes. So guys, at first I'm gonna apply this shade Mastani all over on my eyelid, and guys, as you can see, it is quite pigmented. And now I'm gonna blend it well. Now just to make this little shimmery, I'm using this shade Fusion on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm using this shade Mesmerizing as my eyeliner shade. So guys, that is the final look, and I know the application is a little messy, but I hope you can understand the actual action. For my right eyes, at first I'm applying the shade Complex on the crease. Now I'm applying the shade Moody all over on my eyelid, and guys, this shade is a little powdery and falls a lot, but guys, this shade is also super duper pigmented shade. Now I'm applying the shade Spice on the center of my eyelid and blends everything well. Here for the eyeliner, I am using the shade Playful. So guys, this is the final come out, and I hope you can see how much the shadows are pigmented. So let's just talk about what I actually feel about this eyeshadow palette. Well guys, I have tried some of the shades on my eyes, and trust me guys, all the shades are supremely pigmented, as you can see. And guys, the formula is really buttery soft formula. It glides very well and blends nicely with the brush. But guys, here I have to face that fallout problems in case of their matte eyeshadows. But guys, I think it's quite normal in case of any matte eyeshadows. So I suggest when you are applying this eyeshadow palette, make sure you have to finish your eye makeup and then move on to your rest of the makeup. And guys, in this palette you're gonna get 32 shades. They have some neutral shades, some vibrant shades, some shimmery shades. So I think this is a perfect palette for any beginners as well as makeup artists, because definitely they need more shades. If we talk about the price, I think 999 rupees is a decent price for these 32 eyeshadow palettes, because each shade costed around only 31 rupees. And trust me guys, this palette has no unnecessary shades. Each shade is different from each other, and must say guys, this palette is very smartly designed, and that's why I really like to thank Nidhi Didi for bringing this beautiful palette. So yeah, that is my thought and review about this product. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.